We have simplified two things for you to be able to take care of your lips in a very Apple way.
Kamusta guys? Welcome back to our channel.
If you're new here, welcome. I'm Pat.
And I'm Kat, and we are
the Check Queens!
Together we make videos that are local, affordable, and drugstore.
But today's video is a different one from all those three.
For today's video, isi-share namin sa inyo ang aming sobrang dali at affordable na lip care routines.
So if you want to know how to make your lips this luscious and irresistible, then please keep on watching. Alright, everyone na nagli-lipstick at may ilik sa lipstick, kailangan nating maalagaan ang ating lips araw-araw.
Simplify na namin to into 2 steps, which are, number 1 is
Exfoliate.
and number 2 is
Moisturize.
yes. So, sa video ito, i-explain namin further into detail ano yung mga different ways kung paano mag-exfoliate and mag-moisturize.
Okay, let's go.
First one, again, is exfoliate. So when you exfoliate kasi guys, you are removing the dead skin cells na nandoon sa iyong lips. You know? Kaya, very important talaga ang mag-exfoliate ng lips.
Yes. Nakakatulong, no, para hindi mag-crack tignan yung lips mo, lalo na pag nagma-matte lipstick ka.
Ay, ang tsaka.
Yan. Ano ba sa tingin mo, Pat, ang iba't ibang paraan paano mag-exfoliate ng lips?
Kapag wala ka talaga.
Your answer is toothbrush.
Toothbrush, girl.
Toothbrush,
Pang-exfoliate.
Oo, girl. Without the toothpaste. Okay? So, di ba, after mo mag-toothbrush, right after that, clean toothbrush, and then you're just going to brush off yung mga dead skin cells very softly and gently. That way, matatanggal agad yung mga dead skins na yun. It would leave you with a very smooth lips. Now, kung medyo nakakaangat-angat ka naman, ano?
Kung medyo may budget ka ng kaunti, ano?
Yeah. Gamitin na ang ito. Ang tawag dito is lip scrub. Ayan. So this one, natanggal man yung label, pero nabili ko siya sa isang local brand, which is Skin Genie. So, follow nyo sila. Mabango siya, bubblegum, masarap. Pero marami na rin may lip scrub ngayon, such as yung kay BLK, kaka-release lang niya.
And kung gusto mo naman mag-homemade ng lip scrub, napaka-easy lang. Dahil ang kailangan mo lang ay honey and sugar. Yes. Yung dalawang yun lang, pwede mo na siyang gamitin as your lip scrub. Okay, the next step is mag-moisturize. Bakit ka mag-moisturize? Kasi pinatay mo siya kanina sa pag-exfoliate. So, kailangan mo ibalik yung moisture sa lips mo para maging soft siya, malambot, ganun. Ano-ano ba yung mga different ways to moisturize? Unang-una dyan, syempre, ay ang petroleum jelly or any lip balm.
Dapat lahat kayo, hindi lang basta babae, pati mga lalaki, meron dapat kayong mga ganito sa inyong bag.
And kung lalabas ka ng bahay ng araw na yun at magli-lipstick ka, after mo mag-exfoliate and mag-moisturize, maganda na gamitin mong lip balm ay may SPF to protect your lips from the sun. And kapag sa gabi naman, kahit itulog mo na may petroleum jelly, okay na okay siya.
Remember, hindi lang dahil nagli-lipstick ka kaya nagkakaroon ng dead skin cells and nawawala yung moisturize, but also because of the sun and dehydrated.
Yes. And lips mo yan, ginagamit mo rin siya pangkain, so kung san-san mo na rin siya nasubo, no?
Mga nagkikiss dyan, gusto mo ba ma-feel ng nanay mo na meron... What? Ew.
The other way naman ng pag-moisturize is lip mask. Okay? Mag-insert kami dito ng picture ng kung ano itsura ng lip mask. Okay? Kasi wala kami yan today. Okay, so gumawa na lang kami ng DIY at napakadali lang nito. Napaka-affordable. Girl, ang kailangan mo lang ay honey and olive oil. Marami pa actually recipe ng lip mask na makikita mo online. Pero ito na yung very super duper easy.
And yung nandiyan lang sa kitchen.
Recipe lang naman yan, napakadali lang. Isang teaspoon ng honey and then isang teaspoon ng olive oil. And then, ilalagay mo na siya dyan sa lips mo. And then, leave for 10 minutes kung gusto mo ng deep moisturizing. Pero okay na rin yung mga 2 minutes kung medyo nagmamadali ka.
Pero alam mo, pinaka-easy moisturizing.
Ano?
Uminom ka ng tubig.
Yes.
Maraming tubig. Yun lang talaga ang sagot sa kahirapan, ano?
Siguro isang tip na rin na may bibigay namin ni Pat is make sure pag nagre-remove kayo ng lipstick sa gabi or after work, ganyan, kailangan talaga matanggal nyo lahat ng lipstick. Huwag kayo magtitira at matutulog kayo na may lipstick. Wag.
To conclude this video, again guys, this is super cheap, affordable, super easy, as in wala pang 1 minute na tapos na siyang gawin.
Very important din. Parte talaga siya dapat ng routine mo. To summarize, ano ulit yun?
Number 1 is exfoliate, and then number 2 is you moisturize.
Exfoliate, moisturize. Exfoliate, moisturize.
And dahil mahal namin kayo, mahal namin ang lips namin at ang lips ninyo, gusto namin matry nyo ito, we are giving away 4 JRP matte liquid lipsticks. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and also follow Skin by John Robert Powers.
Yes. And comment on this video your favorite JRP shades. Para sa reference ng mga JRP shades, nakalink here yung video ng mga swatches ng JRP Velvet Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Or, comment doon sa Instagram post namin na ito. Your favorite JRP shade and tag your best friend.
So just to clarify, we're going to take 1 from YouTube and then
Yes.
1 from Instagram. Oo nga pala, when you comment your favorite shade here in YouTube, you have to put on your Instagram username.
Yes, para may way kami para i-contact ka. And this giveaway will be open nationwide and will last until May 31st and the announcement will be on
June 2 sa aming Instagram stories.
Okay, so kailangan nyo talaga kami i-follow doon.
If you got confused in all of these details, don't worry, everything is on the description box below.
Yes, so go check it out. Good luck and sana sumali kayo dahil ang dami naming giveaway na parating pa. Thank you guys for watching!
I hope you guys learned something. Again, wag mamalitan ang ating mga labi dahil kailangan talagang alagaan yan.
And sa init ng Pilipinas ngayon, oh my goodness, kailangan mo talaga ng SPF. Ano mo, dito pala. Ayun.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, follow us on our social media accounts. This is all right here. Our past videos is right here, or right there, or right here, and everywhere.
Galing
Galing talaga.
So that is all for today.
We will see you guys next week. Bye-bye.